Okay, for KitKat keyboard, all they do is find the groups of 2s and black keys and play along with the CD if you want, or have them just do this on their own. It's kind of fun to do. You can use your whole hand. You do not need to use finger numbers or any fingers at all. You can use your whole hand. If they like to use 2 fingers on the 2 black keys, they can, and 3 on the 3 black keys, they can. Otherwise, they can just do this. So this is what we did in class. So follow me down here. We do 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and 3. All the way up the keyboard. And then you can do the same thing. We won't do it on the recording, but you can do the same thing going down, all the way down the keyboard. All right? We also talked about in class that this right here is the middle of the piano, and this is up high, and this is low on the piano.